Harrods Affiliate Program. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join to Harrods Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to harrods.com. Or you can simply click the link on the description below. And you will be directed on this page in which you will see here the details about this platform. But before we jump onto its affiliate program, let's start first by knowing this platform, Harrods. So if you don't know Harrods, it is a luxury department store located in London. It is known for offering a wide range of high-end and luxury products including fashion, accessories, beauty products, home goods, and many more. And now, to join to the affiliate program of Harrods, just proceed by going to the footer section of this website, and from here, just click the option Become an Affiliate, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and from here, it will show you the details on how you become an affiliate in Harrods platform, and also the benefits it provides. And from this page, to join the affiliate program of Harrods, just click this Join Now button right here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, you will see that we are now outside the Harrods platform as we are in the Rakuten advertising. And from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information to register to Rakuten advertising. And if you're wondering why Rakuten advertising, it is because Rakuten advertising is an affiliate marketing and advertising platform that connects advertisers with publishers to promote products and services. So basically, Rakuten Advertising's platform facilitates affiliate marketing, which is performance-based marketing strategy. And that is why we firstly need to sign up or become a publisher of Rakuten Advertising in order to join to Harrods affiliate program. And since Rakuten Advertising provides a marketplace where advertisers can find suitable publishers to promote their products and publishers can find products that align with their audience and content. And to sign up to Rakuten Advertising, you have the option on this rakutenadvertising.com, so just click Become a Publisher button on the top panel, and upon clicking on it, you will also be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, including under your company info, just select here your country, your legal entity type, your business name, and also select your tax form, or check the boxes below if you are exempted from backup withholding. And aside from that, you are also required to enter your address, including your city, your postal code, and even your phone number. And below that is the contact and account info, in which you are also required to enter your personal information such as your first name, your last name, your account email, and even select your security question and answer below. While on the right side of it, you are required to enter the login email address and generate your own password with a minimum of 8 characters that contain number, uppercase letter, and special character. While below that is the primary website info, in which all you need to do is to enter your website name, the URL, the date established, the primary business model, and the number of unique visitors per month and page views per month. You're also required to enter the short description about your website. And also below is to select the category of your website and also the gender and the age of the target audience of your website. And aside from that, under the payment threshold, you could enter here the amount of your monthly payment and also select your language under the language preferences, and after that, under the membership agreement, just scroll down until to its very end before clicking the checkbox below that indicate that you have read and accept the terms of the publisher membership agreement and also the terms of affiliate network and downloadable software application policies, and you are 18 years old of age or older before clicking the Sign Me Up button below here. And after signing up, all you need to do is to go back to this page. From here, just click the login button on the top right corner and proceed by clicking Affiliate Publisher. And you will be directed on this page in which from here, just enter your email address and your password that has been generated. And after that, just click the login button. And the next thing that you need to do is to verify your email address. And to do that, just go to your email inboxes. And from here, proceed by clicking Verify Your Email button. And after verifying your email, you will be directed on the dashboard of Rakuten Advertising. And from here, you will see a variety of options that you can navigate, including on the top panel, such as Programs, Home, Links, Reports, Messages, My Account, and Portfolio. And under the My Home section, you will see here the number of impressions or statistics, such as the number of clicks, EPC, total sales, or your commission that you receive. While under the Program section, you can see here some of the categories or some of the program that you can join to their affiliate program. And since you want to join to Harrods affiliate program, just go to the advertiser's search bar on the top right corner and proceed to enter Harrods. And upon searching on it, it will show you the results below. And as you can see, we have the two Harrods that you could also select, such as Harrods and Harrods Asia Pacific, in which below the program, it will show you the description of it. While on the right side panel, it will show you the year join and other details, including the percentage of sale plus click, the base commission, which is 5% for both of this program, and other details including the return days and even the status of your application if you submitted one. But before we apply to any of those affiliate program of Harrods, let's start first by knowing the details. And to do that, just click this title, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which you will see here some other information about this affiliate program of Harrods, and you can navigate each option on the left side panel, including the advertiser information, the offers, links, coupon commissioning rules, the policy, international capabilities, and tracking option. And all you need to do is to kind of click on it in order to navigate and show you the details about their affiliate program of Harrods Asia Pacific. And after you have been navigate and read some of the policy and other details about this affiliate program, just go back to this page, and from here, on the right side panel, just click the Apply button. And upon clicking on it, it will show you that your application has now been automatically submitted. And all you need to do is to wait for their confirmation email to send to your email inboxes that indicate if you are eligible to become part of their affiliate program. And if your application has been approved, in order to promote this platform is to create or generate your own tracker links. And to do that, just click the links option on the top panel and proceed by clicking Get Links in order to generate your own links that you will use to attach to your social media posts such as on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter in order to promote the Harrods platform. While in terms of payment, the commission that you will get will automatically reflect to your Rakuten advertising account, and you can withdraw that by setting up your payment option under the My Account option on the top panel. So that is just how you can join to Harrods affiliate program. Thank you.